Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to administer a vitamin B12 injection. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready. The B12 vial, a sterile syringe, alcohol wipes, and a sharps container. Always begin by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to maintain hygiene. Next, select a suitable injection site, commonly the outer thigh or upper arm, ensuring it is clean and accessible for a smooth process. Now let's prepare the medication. First, clean the top of your B12 vial with an alcohol wipe and allow it to air dry completely. Next, draw air into your syringe equal to your prescribed dose, perhaps 1 milliliter. Insert the needle into the vial, invert it, and inject that air to prevent a vacuum. Then, slowly pull back the plunger to draw the precise amount of B12 medication into the syringe, ensuring no air bubbles remain. With the medication drawn, it's time for the injection. Clean your chosen site with a new alcohol wipe, moving outwards in a circular motion, and let it dry completely. Hold the syringe like a dart. With a quick, confident motion, insert the needle straight into the muscle at a 90-degree angle. Then, slowly and steadily push the plunger to inject the vitamin B12 medication over several seconds, ensuring a comfortable delivery. Once the injection is complete, smoothly withdraw the needle. Apply gentle pressure to the site with a clean cotton ball. Avoid rubbing vigorously to prevent bruising. Crucially, immediately dispose of the used syringe and needle in a designated sharps container for safety. Finally, monitor the injection site over the next few hours for any unusual redness, swelling, or discomfort, and contact your healthcare provider if concerns arise.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.